In order to prepare grant participants for the California Subject Examination tests for multiple subjects, we have developed the following program in conjunction with the Butte County Office of Education. The CSET Multiple Subjects exam is comprised of 3 subtests. Subtest 1 is based on English Language Arts and History. Subtest 2 is based on Science and Math. Subtest 3 is on Physical Education, Human Development, and Visual and Performing Arts, which includes art, music, and dance. This preparation program integrates various levels of support, including virtual and face-to-face interactions with instructors and advisors, with customized support and materials. When grant participants begin the CSET preparation program, they will take a pretest, which is based on the released subtest questions from the CTC. Next, they will complete a graphic organizer using their test results and identifying areas of need. Then, they will use study materials outlined on the graphic organizer, sign up for one subtest, and attend a training designed for individual needs. After passing one subtest, they will repeat this process for the other 2 subtests.
Hi, my name is Becky Geiger, and I am an ELA and history teacher, and I also design curriculum for the San Diego County Office of Education, including materials for the English CSET. My colleague, Erin O'Connor-Marsano, and I created the coursework for the Designated Subjects program and currently teach classes online.
Hello, my name is Erin O'Connor-Marsano, and I am currently earning my doctorate in education at the University of Southern California. As Becky mentioned, we work in several capacities at the San Diego County Office of Education, and also within this program. I have a credential in general science, health education, and life and biological sciences. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions about this program.